Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. I did this Lohri look for you today. I really enjoyed creating this look. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For priming my face today, I'm going to go ahead and use Farsali's primer. And I'm going to really take it around my nose area. After priming my face, I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to go into the shade Warm Coral. Using Morphe 173, I'm going to go ahead and color correct under my eyes. Whenever you're color correcting, you want to make sure you take your time and you blend the corrector in. If you don't blend the corrector in properly, it can mix into your foundation and it can change the color of the foundation. I'm going to use my favorite foundation from Laura Mercier in the shade Suntan. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation using a wet beauty blender. For concealer today, I'm going to go ahead and use Tan Sand and Light Medium Honey. I'm going to take Tan Sand just around my eyes. Light Medium Honey, just to highlight. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out using a beauty blender. For contouring today, I'm going to go ahead and use Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick, and I'm in the shade Expresso. Using a BH Cosmetic sculpting brush, I'm going to buff it out. I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and I'm going to set it under my eyes. First you want to take your beauty blender and make sure there's no creases under your eyes. Then we're going to take powder on the beauty blender and press it into our skin. Now I'm just going to go ahead and press it in even more. I'm not really going to bake it for too long. For my bronzer today, I'm going to go ahead and use MAC's Give Me Sun. I'm using a Sonia Kashuk angled brush, and I'm just going to press it in wherever we contoured. For my blush today, I'm going to go ahead and use Nars in the shade Outlaw. I'm going to apply this blush using Sonia Kashuk's blush brush. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using Soft Ochre from MAC. I'm going to go ahead and take some on my finger and apply it all over my lid. For my eyes today, I'm going to go ahead and use Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade all over my lid. I'm using Morphe 535. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Eden. Using a Morphe 330, I'm going to take it in my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and pick up Amber. And I'm going to take it all over my lid. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Oud. Just going to take that on my inner lid, just a corner. Take it a little bit in my crease. I'm going to take a little bit on the outer corner. I'm going to build it up just a little bit more on the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and take 535, go back into Eden, and blend it out, just to soften up the creases. From the palette, I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Celestial. Just going to take it on my fingers. I'm going to just take it on my lid and press it in the middle. I'm pressing it mainly in the middle, but I'm also buffing it up on the sides. I'm going to go ahead and take this MAC's liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Dash and Flash. Just going to place it right in the middle of it. just in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in the shade Ebony. I'm going to go ahead and use this Tarte gel eyeliner to line my upper and lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and use the other side of this liner to create a wing liner. I also went ahead and put my eyelashes on, and these are from House of Lashes, and they're called Allura Light. I'm going to go back into the palette one more time. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Oud, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. For my mascara today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Climax mascara from Nars. For my highlighter today, I'm going to go into Farsali Jelly Beam, and I'm going to use the shade Glazed. I actually forgot to close my Jelly Beam and it dried up, but you can still use it. I'm going to take some on the back of my beauty blender. I'm going to go on the high points of my cheek. For setting my makeup today, I'm going to take Tatcha's Luminous Glow. For my lipstick today, I'm going to go ahead and use Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to wish you all a very happy Lohri, and I will see you next time. Ciao!